Welcome to Jones Healthcare. In this series of videos, we provide step-by-step instruction on how to assemble our range of adherence packaging. Today we will review how to assemble and seal the FlexRx Lite adherence package using VBM filling technology. Open the cover on the VBM tray and place the blister into the tray with the longer flange directed towards the top of the grid where the hinge is located. Then close the tray. Insert the tray into the VBM and follow McKesson Canada's instructions to operate the machine. When the filling process is complete, remove the tray as instructed to begin the sealing process. Snap the edge ties on either side of the label. The location of the edge tie is indicated on the back of the label. Locate the perforation on the back of the label and fold along this perforation so the top part of the label meets the bottom part of the label. Remove the strip on the back of the label where indicated to expose a line of adhesive. With the cover on the tray in the open position, orient the label with the colored side facing up and the folded edge at the top. Center the label over the blister, aligning the folded edge with the perforation line at the top of the blister. With the folded edge of the label closely aligned to the perforation on the blister, steady the positioning of the label in the middle of the tray with one hand, and then use the other hand to fold back the top part of the label towards the tray. Firmly run your finger over the adhesive strip on the label against the top flange of the blister to ensure adhesion. Move the remaining liner from the label at a 45-degree angle, and, using your hand, gently apply the label to the blister in a downward motion. Using the roller in a horizontal and vertical motion, apply firm, consistent pressure over the entire blister to ensure that a solid seal is achieved across the surface. To remove the completed package from the VBM tray, grasp the top of the label and lift. After the package has been verified for accuracy, the FlexRx Lite is now ready to dispense. Please note, before dispensing, the pharmacist should instruct their patient on the proper use of the FlexRx Lite adherence package. The patient can find the appropriate time pass, push through the label with their finger, pinch the label, and peel the label backwards to access the medication.
Before dispensing, ensure the pharmacist has verified the medications for accuracy. Please note that the card is not child-resistant and should be stored out of the reach of children. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or you're looking to place an order, contact the Jones team today.